You okay? You're gonna be okay, alright? You're gonna be okay. Oh shit. Yeah, don't worry about that, dude. Look at that.